Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. The topic for today is numbers from 20 to 100. In one of the videos, we have already learned counting from 1 to 20. If you have any queries in that, you can watch that video again. I'll share the link in the description box. So today we'll learn after 20. So before going to 21, let's have a recap from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this till 10. After that 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1. I think you are well versed with numbers from 1 to 20. So after that it will be 1 is 20. 1 is and 1 te. We call it 1 te for 21. 1 te. Correct? 1 te. But after that there will be no this a. After that it's quite easy. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9 and 30. 30 is 30. Correct? 30. After that same pattern, 30 and 1, 31, 32, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Correct? 40. 40 will be 40. 40 and 1, 41. 41. After that 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50 will be 50. 50. After that 50 and 1, 51 will be 51. 51. 52, 52, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. 60. 60 will be 60. 60. 60 a 60 and 1, 61. 61. 60. After that 62, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and after that note it down here. It will continue after 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So this will be 70. 71 will be 71, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 17, 18, 19 and after that 80. 80 is 4. 1 is 20. 4 into 20 you can say 80, which means 80. Note down there is S with 80 only. And after that it will be 80. 80. 82, quatre-vingt-trois, quatre-vingt-quatre, quatre-vingt-cinq, quatre-vingt-six, quatre-vingt-sept, quatre-vingt-huit, quatre-vingt-neuf, and after that, quatre-vingt-dix. Same which we have done here, same thing will apply here. Quatre-vingt-dix will be 90. Correct? And after that, quatre-vingt-onze, 11. 4, 20, 11. It will be quatre-vingt-onze or quatre-vingt-onze. Quatre-vingt-douze, quatre-vingt-treize, quatre-vingt-quatorze, quatre-vingt-quinze, quatre-vingt-seize, quatre-vingt-dix-sept, quatre-vingt-dix-huit, quatre-vingt-dix-neuf, and cent. Cent. Cent means 100. Correct? Cent, 100. Let's have a recap. Right? After vingt-deux, you can continue till 30, till 29. After that, 30 will be trente. Continue till 39. 40 will be quarante. Till 49 it will be same. Then 50, cinquante, 60, soixante, 70, soixante-dix, 80, quatre-vingts, 90, quatre-vingt-dix, and 100, 100. 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, and 100, 100. Right? I hope it's clear. Okay. If you like this video, please like and subscribe French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.